Good day, everyone. Today we are going to talk about our Project Catalyst proposal for Cardano game assets for Unity. So the goal of the proposal was to provide an easy way to build Unity games over Cardano. For those of you that doesn't know that Unity is a framework, a SDK, and a set of tools to build games. And until now, we didn't have really an easy way to integrate uh, with Cardano itself. So uh, we solved this by building what we call Cardano Unity SDK, where you can actually fetch data from Cardano, IPFS, and Milkomeda blockchains directly through Blockfrost. And it's pretty straightforward. You just import it, and your possibility is limitless as is come to the framework itself. So, for example, here is a very simple demo we did. This is a game where you just log in with your Nami wallet and you try to open the door, which won't let you through unless you have a specific NFT in your wallet. So what we do here is we request this NFT, which is called test coin from the testnet faucet. Just a reminder, this is an easy example and you can do anything you want with this. And after we check that this NFT has arrived to your Nami wallet and you are indeed the owner of it, the door should open and let you through. So just a really quick and easy demo. Nothing fancy. But as I said, the possibilities are really limitless with this one. So where you can find this, if you are a game developer, head to the GitHub. It's all open source and it's all available. You can fork it, you can sell as a pull request, or you can open issues. We are really looking forward to build a great community around this SDK.